So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about SPA coin. Okay, its price prediction 2025 that by the end of next year mega bullion SPA coin has potential to reach $1, $5 or $10 here or not. Okay, and as this coin is already listed on Coinbase, so can we see its Binance exchange listing this year or not? So it is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the company. I'm asked you to like the video and subscribe the channel. Well, first of all, you can see SPA coin has currently two zeros in its price, 0.0081 current price, and market cap is super low. You can see just $13.8 million market cap only. It's a super low cap altcoin and very potential altcoin. There maybe we can see its market cap up to $1.3 billion here, or maybe $13 billion here. Then this altcoin can be the next 1000x potential altcoin for us, and already listed on Coinbase. So that's amazing. Last 24-hour trading volume is now less than $1 million. Okay, total supply is 5 billion coin, but circulation just 1.6 billion coin, and this altcoin belongs to Arbitrum ecosystem. Okay, this is Arbitrum ecosystem altcoin, so that's amazing. More than you can see 271,000 addresses are holding this altcoin. You can see 271,000 addresses are holding this altcoin, so that's amazing. Number of holders are amazing. Okay, and you can see this stable coin portfolio, and DWF less portfolio are also investing in this coin, so that's amazing, friends. And this coin's mechanism is same as the mechanism of Luna, so this coin can be the next Luna. Maybe we can see its price up to $1 here, because you can see coin has already hit 0.23 dollars. Okay, 2 years ago, and right now we are almost 97% down than its all-time high. Okay, friends, 97% down than its all-time high, so this is amazing. Okay, and I think when crypto market again recovered here, when BTC will make a new all-time high maybe in coming months, then definitely we can see this coin to kill both zeros. Then this coin has potential to kill its all-time high and make a new all-time high. Okay, in this year 2024 here we are almost 150% up only, and listed on to many central exchanges. You can see Coinbase is this, so that's amazing. And this is the exchange. Okay, Coinbase is the exchange, that's why maybe we can see is listing on Binance exchange also. Sometime Binance repeats the listing for Coinbase. Okay, so as this coin is already listed on Coinbase, so maybe in coming months we can see is listing on Binance exchange also. KuCoin has also listed. Okay, and La token, Gate.io, Crypto.com has also listed, but I will show you my holdings here. Okay, I'm holding this coin on Trust Vault. I buy this from MEX exchange. And friends, right now I'm holding this in Trust Wallet. I transfer in Trust Wallet. You can see I have 4,698 SP coin worth about $38, but I buy I think just about $30 only. Okay, and my buying prices for 0.006. There's these level, but right now this coin is some dump here, and recently its logo is also added here on Trust Wallet. So these are my holdings for SPA coin. Maybe in future I can buy some more $10 or maybe $20 SPA coin, because I think maybe we can see Binance listing this year, because it's already listed on Coinbase, KuCoin. So many central exchanges have already listed this coin, so it's possible that we can see maybe it's listing on Binance. And if this coin will list on Binance, then definitely this meme coin will be the next 1000x potential coin, and maybe we can see its market cap up to $1 billion here. First, you can also check out website here. Okay, website looking good. Okay, you can check out full details here about this stable coin. Also, that's USDS. Okay, there's the stable coin of Sprix ecosystem here. Okay, and you can check out all further details on their website. You can also follow them. You can see, as I already told you, total supply 4.5 billion. Okay, but in circulation just 1.6 billion coin. Okay, most of the SPA coins are right now burnt and also locked here. You can see 25% of all protocol revenue is used to buy and burn SPF from the open market. So that's amazing. 25% of all protocol revenue is going to burn. So that's amazing, friends. That's why supply will be reduced time to time. Okay, and the circulation supply will be reduced here. So that's amazing. That demand will be increased here, and then definitely we can see its price up to maybe $1 or maybe $5 or maybe more. You can see it's also the mechanism where the coins are also locked here. You can see 391 million SPA coins are locked, so that's amazing. You can also check out further details here on their website. You can also follow this on their social communities here. Okay, friends, so you can see on X, on Telegram also. So friends, my price prediction about SPA coins market cap is there I think maybe we can see its market cap from 1 billion to maybe $5 billion by the end of this mega bull run. Okay, 1 billion to maybe 5 billion, and I think maybe we can see its price up to $1 or maybe $5 or maybe more. Okay, I think from 1 to maybe $5 SPA coin can touch by the end of next year, and definitely Binance Exchange will list this coin, okay, this year.